Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you something. How many arguments, breakups, or misunderstandings do you think could have been avoided if both people just talked openly and honestly? Not to win, not to prove a point, but simply to understand each other. See, communication isn't just about words. It's about connection. It's the bridge between two hearts. And when that bridge collapses, even love can't cross it. A lot of people believe that love alone is enough to make a relationship work. But love without communication is like a car without fuel. It might look beautiful, but it won't go anywhere. You can't expect your partner to read your mind. You can't assume they know how you feel if you never speak it. And silence, over time, can be louder than any argument. Healthy communication means listening to understand, not just waiting for your turn to speak. It means being strong enough to express your truth, but gentle enough to hear theirs. Because when two people communicate with honesty and respect, even the toughest problems become manageable. Most relationships fail not because the love disappears, but because the understanding fades. One person starts feeling unseen, the other starts feeling unheard, and slowly, emotional distance builds up like a wall between them. You can't build closeness on unspoken pain. You can't fix what you pretend isn't broken. So when something's wrong, talk about it. Not in anger, not in accusation, but in clarity. Say what you feel, and say it before resentment replaces compassion. Communication also means vulnerability. Being real enough to say, I'm hurt, or I need reassurance, without feeling weak. Because strength isn't about pretending you don't feel, it's about having the courage to express what you do. And when your partner feels safe to do the same, that's when real intimacy begins. Remember this. The way you communicate sets the tone for your entire relationship. If your tone is full of blame, you'll create defense. If your tone is full of care, you'll create connection. Words can either heal or destroy. Use them wisely. If you ever find yourself pulling away from someone you love, stop and ask, when was the last time we truly talked? Not about bills, not about daily tasks, but about us, about what we're feeling, what we're afraid of, what we need to feel seen and secure again. Because in the end, communication isn't just the key to a healthy relationship, it is the relationship. It's how trust is built, how love is maintained, and how two people grow, not apart, but together. So next time you're tempted to shut down, stay silent, or assume, they should just know. Pause. Choose communication over confusion. Choose understanding over ego. And remember, real love isn't found in the absence of conflict, but in the presence of honest conversation. Thanks for watching, and if this message hit home, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Because sometimes, a single honest talk can save what silence is slowly destroying.